Hey everyone, so we just finished hanging these cabinets. So the next thing we want to do is we're going to caulk in between the wall and the cabinet. So I'm going to show a quick little tip here. We're going to go right along in this crease here, and I'm going to do the taping method. We're going to tape, put the caulk down, remove the tape, and it's going to be clean. So let's give it a shot. So first thing we want to do is I'm going to line this with painter's tape. So now that we put the tape on, we're just going to fill it in with caulk, and we're going to remove the tape and we'll be good to go. Now we have our caulk gun ready. Now that that's finished, I'm going to run right down with my finger. The tape's going to protect the overage. So now that we're finished, we're going to go ahead and remove the tape. Nice clean line. And I can see how clean the lines came out. Looks good. All right, we're gonna do this side now. So you can see how I taped the corners. I left this little gap here in the middle, all the way up. Now we're gonna put the caulk in. We're gonna start at the top, work our way down. So using this tape really will give you some crisp lines. Crisp. So now we're going to go down again with our finger, starting from the top. If you have any extra, just go down again just to make sure we have enough. And now we can remove the tape. And once this dries, we'll be ready to paint. Looks good. Thanks for watching.